Ano ba ang magandang store of value? Yung tumataas ang value ng pera. Let's compare. If you open a savings account sa bank, you'll get an average of 0.015% interest every single year. Pero kung bibili ka ng shares of stocks ng bank, ay ibang usapan na yun. Kung bumili ka nga ng shares of stocks kay BPI January of 2024, by December of 2024, you have already gained 17% interest. Hindi pa kasama ang dividend. The best part is you can actually start investing in buying shares of stocks ng mga banks here in the Philippines for as low as 1,000 pesos. Kaya kapatid, start investing and make money work for you. See you on my next video.